Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Again, we're gonna do the unboxing of the most waited for Boxycharm November 2019 box. It just arrived on Friday night, late night, so I haven't had a chance to open it. As you guys can see, it is still sealed. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna get these little tweezers here and try to open this. So yay! So I saw a lot of the unboxings and very excited for this month's unbox. And yes, of course, you guys can see the pink inside. Yay. So pretty, isn't it? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna get the well, we got the card, of course, Boxycharm. That is the very first thing that I see on here. Stellar. Okay, and I got the variation number 8. As y'all know, there's various variations, right? And look at Akita Dragon. Isn't she so cute? All right, so first thing, the Becca foundation. So I saw that you guys were getting some other type of samples of foundation. So I am getting the Becca, the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation little sample set. So we'll see what that is about. Fortunately, a lot of times that I get these, even from like Sephora box or whatever I'm ordering things and you get samples, you know, sometimes you want to try them out, but I don't know, sometimes they just stay there in my makeup drawers and stuff. It doesn't get used, so but we'll try it out, right? All right, so I don't know why I have this scrunchie. Ha! There it goes. Okay, so the Boxycharm brushes, these are actually heavy. They look kind of cheap on some of you guys' videos, but actually guys, they do not feel cheap at all, and they're so soft. Wow, these are super soft. Okay. So these are nice, you know, always good to get some new brushes, you know. So yay, the brushes. Okay, what is next? Okay. So this is the first time that I see this in any unboxing lately. So we got the Tula skincare Start Bright nourishing and brightening cosmic hydrogel mask. Oh, okay, probiotics and superfoods. Cool. Okay. So it cleanses skin and does a lot of great stuff, antioxidants. Okay, and there's actually 2 of these. Yay! So my daughter's back there looking. She's like thumbs up because she thinks she's gonna borrow one of these. Okay, so these okay, Star Bright. So cute, and they're very you feel it, guys? If you guys haven't got one of these, they're actually very thick and very okay, very good. Nice. So these the Tula skincare Start Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask, set up to clear skin, zero irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevents breakouts and brighten marks left by past acne. Okay, so this is an MSRP of $22. Not bad. And the brushes were actually the 2-piece set brushes, $35. Okay, so far so good, huh? Okay, next thing. Oh, those of colors. So I got the one in the charm color. I wish I actually would have got one of those nude colors that you guys are getting, and I had went back to change my, you know, the how to customize your you know, preferences, things like that, and I actually went back and I went to choose the neutrals, because every time I was getting one of the dark tones, except the last box for the September box, I mean the October box, I didn't. However, every other box is like pretty much dark. So I don't know, maybe it hasn't changed or whatnot, but I mean, it is fall. So what can I say, right? It is a pretty color, actually. It's not as dark as you would think, like, you know, but Okay, okay. Those of colors is nice. Okay. So happy. These the Dose of Colors. It is $18. So of course we all know that is true because you know it's actually my, I don't know, first one of that brand. Okay. So the next, this is something that I had actually I didn't pick this. I had picked another another product, but okay, so they sent me the Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and okay, so it's always a good thing for, you know, to get moisturizer for under the eyes, and this is an anti-wrinkle eye treatment. So has a very weird little tip here, as you guys can see, but I'm very excited actually because, you know, you can never go wrong. And I had just run out of my night treatment for my under eyes. So, you know, when you're around my age, you guys need a lot of moisturizing. So it's actually very soft. I'm very, okay, good. So can't wait to give y'all the update on that. And again, that is the Juice Beauty Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and this actually goes for $50, guys. So wow, this is really good. It has a blend of fruit, stem cells, and vitamin C infused into organic antioxidants. Rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Okay, so as you can see, I'm like the dark circle queen. It must be hereditary or something because they've been there since I've ever known. Okay, and last but not least, okay, every palette, well, not every palette, the palette that everybody's been getting, Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, so this is actually very nice. When I seen it, of course, on video, it doesn't do any justice, but guys, the colors on here are very nice and warm, and that is very nice. Very nice colors, as you can see. Okay, so they're very nice. I like it. And of course, for the season, you know, lately these even the palette, the last palette that we got, it had a lot of very warm tones, things like that. But this Mystic Eyes is, wow, they're very soft, guys. This is my first product by Dominique Cosmetics. And sometimes I'm very skeptical about trying new products or new brands, and we have all these brands coming out and great products, and I've been hearing, you know, of course Dominique Cosmetics has been doing a, you know, great job with her line, and you know, so look at this, guys. So it is very nice. That is very nice for a little pop-up color, especially for the holidays. And you know, wow, okay, let's try another one. Zero Gravity here, see how it pairs. Okay, so pretty nice. It actually looks like a brownish mauvish color once you apply it. So it's very nice, but of course the Eternal Light, I'm all about gold, gold colors, gold all over the eyelids. As you can see, I have some gold going on, and look at this, guys. Wow, okay, they're very soft. Doesn't seem like it has a lot of flake outs. We shall see once applied, right, on the eyelids. That's pretty. That is very pretty. So okay, so I'm very happy with this November's box. I was waiting for it. The last box actually was a September box. I was kind of disappointed because where's the October box, Priscilla? I don't know which one was. I got here all late. one of them got here so super late that I emailed them. I sent them a message through Instagram because it was like, hello, it is the 11th day, not having received my box yet. Like, y'all charged me so long ago and the box still hasn't even been shipped. And it was weird because they hadn't even emailed me about a tracking, you know, my package or anything like that. It was very weird, and it happened to my sister-in-law too. But I don't know what happened with that month's subscription, but I think it was the September, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so again, so the Celestial Thunder, that is actually Dominique Cosmetics, $35. The palette is very nice. So as you guys can see here, so let's go ahead and add this up. Give me a calculator, Priscilla. So we will add $35 for the Dominique Cosmetics. The Juice Beauty, the it is $50. That was a very great one. The Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, that is $18. The Tula Skincare, that is $22 for the 2 masks. And then last but not least, the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set, $35, with a total of $160, guys. Wow, $160. I don't know about y'all, but you know, these boxes keep getting better and better. And I also like how they give you when you go to the website, they give you like a different like the pop-up, obviously, and then you get like different discounts for whatever was in that box of that month. So it's very good. I'm very okay, that's good. And I will be giving you guys a follow-up on this eye cream. So we shall be doing that. So until then, can't wait for the December one, the Boxycharm. We shall see. Okay, but these guys, okay, I'm excited. I'll be using those. All right, well, thank you so much, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit a like for me, please, as this is my very second video. I am brand new to this, so yeah, guys, so hopefully y'all guys enjoyed it. Till later, bye.